Hey guys, Bitmaster here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I just wanted to show you guys real quick something I've been working on for a little bit now. So let's hop over to my GitHub page. This is called Delphi TypeFX, and I have created it so that we can add special effects to our IDE when we're typing. Pretty cool stuff, right? And not just special effects, but you can also add sounds as well. So I'm going to show you guys how you can actually use this in the newer IDEs like the XE2 up. So what you'll need to do first is just download the zip. I've already done it, so I'm not going to bother with it. But then you'll need to open your IDE up and go File, Open, and you're going to need to browse to the location where you have downloaded it to and whatnot. And once you've done that, you can just open up the dproj here, or the Delphi package if you wish. Either one works. I do include the D project by default, so just open that one. And once you've got it opened, I'm going to have to uninstall mine real fast, but just bear with me here, guys. Once this actually does open up, we're going to, I'll show you how to install it for yourselves. So I'm going to put this right here. Sorry about the resize, guys. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll uninstall it, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to get this menu over here with a bunch of stuff in it, right? So there's the BPL. You'll just want to make sure that's set to release mode. Make sure it's set for 32-bit. Depending on your IDE, I haven't actually tested it with the new 64-bit IDE. I have no idea if it works or not. It should. I mean, it's programmed properly, I believe. But anyway, so just make sure it's on 32-bit, as most of you will be using the 32-bit IDE anyway. Make sure it's on release mode. Right-click on the BPL, so this one right here, and click Build. Wait for it to finish, and then right-click Install. And that's all you got to do. You guys don't have to do anything else other than click OK on the box. And that's it. You don't have to add library paths or anything else. It's already taken care of automatically for you. So at this point, you can close everything out. I'm not going to. I'm actually going to just open up the code to it so we can practice a bit with it. Or just demonstrate it a bit. I'll scroll down to like, I don't know, the bottom here. So like, see, you can type now. And as you're typing, you're actually going to get like little sparkly effects that happen. Pretty cool, right? And you can have that on backspace as well. You know, just go back. See, isn't that great? That's so fucking cool, right? So to get to the menu where you can actually alter this stuff, you click on Tools, TypeFX Studio Settings, and then you'll get this menu where you can actually choose the type effects that you would like to mess with. And you've got about 17 to choose from right now. My favorite is just the fire. I really don't really go with much of anything else, but you can go with whatever you want. I'll try this plasma thing, I guess, whatever that is. I'll try to. You can test the animation to see what it's going to actually kind of look like somewhat. You can change the animation speed, the duration, and the intensity. Usually I find 1 or 2 to be the best intensity levels. You can also add audio effects to your keyboard strokes. So if you wish to enable this, you can actually browse to different WAV files for like a basic key sound, an enter key sound, or even a backspace sound. You know, makes something like crash or explode when you delete something. Pretty cool stuff, right? So in any case, I'll leave it at that and I'll click OK. So then it's going to automatically tell you that it saved the settings in the center of the IDE. Pretty cool. And then you can start typing. And look, this one's just a purplish looking effect. It's kind of cool. But in any case, there you have it. You've got that, and you can hold and erase it all. Very cool stuff. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that because I think it's cool. I like adding special effects to my code window whenever I'm writing stuff. And if you've got a big IDE and a big screen like mine, it really helps out because it gives you that extra flair of magic in your code. You know what I mean? In any case, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, and I hope to catch you in some of my future videos that I'll be doing. We're going to go ahead and start back up on the rat course really, really soon. I know I've been getting a lot of feedback from you guys begging me to come back. I've just been absolutely, busy as hell in life lately. So hopefully I'll be back really, really shortly, soon. But in any case, I will catch you guys in another video. Until next time, peace out.